What's going on, guys? It's Dan here, Wi-Fi Astronaut. We're back. Took a little bit of a hiatus, a little bit of a week break, but we are back better than ever, and we are ready to continue these YouTube videos, bringing you guys videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, brand new videos on Amazon. If you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel. I also go by Wi-Fi Astronaut on Twitter and Instagram, and I bring you guys helpful Amazon content to help you grow your businesses, to start your Amazon businesses, to continue growing, keep going up and up and up, whatever it is. I help you do that. I primarily sell a business model on Amazon. It's called Amazon Wholesale, which is where I buy name brand products. Such as this, I think it's called Zephyrless, water bottles, and then I resell them on Amazon. I buy them from the brands or from their brand distributors, and then I resell them back on Amazon for a profit at retail or slightly above retail. But today, I want to talk about really quick just the idea of taking out Amazon loans, or just loans for your business in general. So I'm sure as a bunch of you know who have been selling on Amazon for a while, and if you don't know, after a while of selling on Amazon, you will be offered Amazon loans. Now, there's a few different types of loans you're going to be offered. So just because it comes up in your Amazon dashboard natively doesn't mean that it's a Amazon lending loan. So Amazon has partners with Lendistry and Goldman Sachs, and I think maybe a couple others, and those loans will populate in your dashboard, and they'll come up and they'll say you have a loan offer, you click in it, review offer, and it will say up to $100,000 at this rate for this long. And then it will say the company that the loan is ran through, so it could be Lendistry. For me, I just took one through Lendistry. And then there's another type of loan, which is called the Amazon lending loan. Now, this is actually through Amazon, not through any other third parties, and this is the best kind of loan you can get because it is through Amazon, and it's pretty much just all through one company. I believe they may even take it out of your payments, which is good, but I've taken a loan through Lendistry. It's a third-party loan at a 6.25% interest rate over 2 years, which is really, really good in this market. I had the loan it wasn't active. I had the offer for quite a long time, and I never accepted it, and it went like inactive and then kind of back to active, and I just accepted it recently just to kind of flood some more money into my wholesale business as I continue to scale that on Amazon and then also off Amazon sales. So that money will go a nice long way. And then my strategy, this is just my personal strategy, you don't have to use this, but my strategy for this loan is every time it gets paid back to me, I'm going to actually pay off the loan and then get another one. Because as soon as you pay it off, they're going to offer you more money. And so that is going to be my strategy for that. I'm going to pay it off, and then they're going to offer me more. I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to pay that off in 30 to 60 days. Take that, and then the loan is going to keep stacking up. Instead of, once I get that, it was a $100,000 loan. Once I get that money back, instead of just keeping it and reusing it and not paying it off, then I just have the $100K over 24 months. Instead, take it, pay it off, and then eventually at the end of a year or 2 years, it could be in the millions of dollars. So that is my strategy. I don't really need the money, but I know the long term of it. Eventually in a month, or not a month, in 12 months or 24 months, that $100K can turn into $1 million or $2 million worth of a loan, which can really, really, really help me scale my business. And if any of you guys are struggling with scale in your business, you need to focus on two things. It is literally two things to scale your business. It's either capital or inventory. That's the only two things that is required to scale your business. You either don't have enough capital or you don't have enough inventory. And by inventory, I mean enough products to buy, or you're not able to get enough products, enough quantity of a SKU, so you need to diversify. It's inventory and capital. Everything else that occurs as a byproduct of that, you figure out as you go. You need to focus on capital and inventory first, because without one or the other, or without both, you're going nowhere. Literally nothing else matters unless you have capital and inventory. You need the money, and you need products to purchase. I hope you guys forgive me for my little hiatus that I took. It was much needed little break, but we're back, and like I said, back better than ever. I'm going to be giving you guys a bunch of free stuff in the future on my Twitter, on my Instagram. So make sure to go check all of those out. I got a ton of really, really cool content coming for you guys. I got a video editor coming back this week, so my videos should be looking back to par. Right now, they're kind of subpar, but they're going to be back up there, I promise. But anyways, Thank you guys for watching. I love every single one of you. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.